Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome to iQOO. In this video, I'll be explaining about the display quality of the Realme 5S device. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel guys. iQOO will be posting a lot of tips and tricks and interesting comparison reviews within a lot of other smartphones. So let me show you the exactly what variant I am using in this video right now. So as you can see, as 4GB and 64GB variant, Snapdragon 665 processor. So the display of the Realme 5S comes with a 720 resolution. So let me show you the exactly what specifications about the display, so you'll get a clear idea. So as you can see under the display specifications, you can find the display size is of 6.5 inches and it comes with a 720p resolution, not with a 1080p. So this is a little bit of downgrade when compared with a 1080p resolution smart screens. So but the advantage is that you will get a little bit of extra battery life in this device. So although it has a 5000 mAh of battery, still you'll get a more battery. So definitely I'll be doing the battery backup draining test as well in this device. So let me play the one of the 4K video, which you will get a clear idea about the display quality of the Realme 5S device. So in the another video, I'll be definitely doing the comparison between the other smartphones like the Realme X device, so which has the AMOLED panel, so where we can easily compare side by side with the Realme 5S device, comparing the IPS versus the AMOLED panel. So you'll get a clear idea which display is brighter in terms of the color reproduction and saturation levels. So as you can see right now, let me play the 4K video. So you can check the viewing angles, how it looks in this device, Realme 5S device. So although it has got the 720p resolution, but still it's a little bit good guys. There is no problem at all regarding the display. So even the viewing angles are pretty good, as you can see. From all sides it's very good, there is no problem. So only the bottom chin is a little bit of thick. As you can see here. So overall, I'm very much happy with the display of the Realme 5S device. So initially I thought 720p display resolution looks a little bit odd because it's been very long time using the 720p resolution display screen, because all my devices whatever I'm having right now has a minimum of 1080p resolution screen, but still the Realme 5S has got pretty good display quality. So definitely I'll be doing the comparison between the Realme 5S versus the Realme X device, so I'll get a clear idea about the display quality and saturation and all the color vibrant levels. But overall I'm very much happy with the display guys of the Realme 5S. So definitely I'll be doing the comparison videos. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel iQOO for more interesting videos and tips and tricks and comparison videos. See you in the next video. Bye.